What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got another 2023 F-450. This one might actually be a 2024. I'll double check that. This is gonna get a 4-inch Stryker lift kit and some 26-inch JTX wheels, some 37-inch Fury tires. Nice color on this truck. I don't know what they call it, but it's like a matte gray. Kind of crazy. All right, so we got the lift on the truck, waiting on the wheels to get here actually, and the tires. It's getting some 26-inch JTXs, but it looks like they are scheduled to be delivered today, but we haven't seen them yet. Stryker lift kit looks amazing as usual. The color is Glacier, by the way. I don't know if I said that. I don't know if I said that earlier in the video, but it is called Glacier. It's a beautiful color by Ford. 2024 F-450. John, he's talking to you. Got another Ford done for you guys today. This is my first 2024 that, well, it's not the first because that's the first, but 2024 Ford F-450. Ford's color Glacier, absolutely beautiful. This truck is on the 3.5-inch Stryker lift kit. It's the new radius arm style lift kit. Has the Fox shocks, has the black and milled face plates on everything. Absolutely the best looking F-250, F-350, F-450 lift kit in the game right now. I'll say it. Sorry, everybody makes a decent kit, but this one looks better. Top it off with a set of 26-inch JTX Forged Pike wheels, all gloss black with chrome spikes. You don't see this every day. This is awesome. It's a 26 with a 37-inch Fury tire, Country Hunter MT as usual. This truck has the mud flap removed, and we'll get a little bit of trimming on the bottom of the front bumper right there, and it will clear all the way. Absolutely beautiful truck. I could see myself in this, even though I'm a big Chevy guy. Looks awesome. This is how new it is. I think the truck might have 200 miles on it or less. It's gonna go to somebody's gonna buy this truck. It's Private Label Built is the company we do this for. Adrian, shout out Adrian for all the work. This one actually absolutely turned out awesome. I love the painted bumpers on it. If you guys have any questions about it, or want to price a job similar to this for your truck, just shoot me a call. My phone number will be in the bio. Also, leave me a like. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. If you like what I'm doing, tell me. I don't care. Any kind of interaction's a good one, and I appreciate everybody watching.